And now, Michael Patrick and Brian Bam Bam Brock, the Dirty Blondes, making their way to the ring for tag team action.
Bam Bam, Brian Brock, and Maniac Michael Patrick, the Dirty Blondes. The Dirty Blondes. And their opponents tonight.
The Dirty Blondes tonight here at Barnesville for tag team action, up against the Good Brothers and Fry Daddy and Scotty Beach. Tag team action here. Dirty Blondes and the Good Brothers, Fry Daddy, Scotty Beach. And there at ringside with Fry Daddy and Scotty Beach is Iceberg. Standing ringside with the Good Brothers here for this matchup tonight. Michael Patrick leaving the ring to have a conversation with some of the fans here in Barnesville. They don't call him Maniac for nothing.
Maniac Michael Patrick. The Dirty Blondes. We didn't get no Camaro and drive all the way up here from Tampa, Florida to listen to you idiot Georgia people yell at us. So I highly recommend that each and every one of you shut your trap so we can get in the ring and run. Because if we have to, we'll get back in our car and we'll go back to Florida.
Well, it looks like the Dirty Blondes are leaving. And the fans have spoken and they're listening. But Fry Daddy and Scotty Beach, though, not letting them get away that easy. Bringing them back into the ring. Now Scotty Beach with Michael Patrick and Fry Daddy with Brian Brock. Shoulder driven into Michael Patrick by Scotty Beach. Referee got to get a little bit of order here so we get this match started. And now we're underway. Fry Daddy and Michael Patrick in the ring. Kicks to the midsection by Fry Daddy. And a takedown by Fry Daddy with a headlock. Patrick with the reversal and Fry Daddy with a headstand to get out of it. And a tag to Scotty Beach. A running clothesline by Beach. They're taking Patrick down. Pin attempt. And Brian Brock breaks up the count. And Beach goes after Brock. What a shot to the midsection by Patrick. Getting the upper hand. And a tag to Brock. Swing and a miss by Brock. Now shots and an elbow by Scotty Beach. Sending Brock to the ground. And now an elbow to Patrick. Sending both men out to the floor. And Fry Daddy. He's feeling it. Suicide dive through the middle rope. Both of the Dirty Blondes down on the ground. Sending Brock back into the ring. And a drop kick. Driving his shoulder on a chop to the chest of Brian Brock, echoing through the Academy gym. Now open hand slap to the chest by Scotty Beach. On a rake to the eyes. Fry Daddy tried to get in the ring. Referee cut him off. And a double clothesline to Beach. Misses with the fist. Scotty Beach able to avoid it, but a kick to the face. Now Beach fighting back. Patrick's head off the turnbuckle. Irish Rip reversal. Beach into the corner. And Patrick follows him in. And again, the Blondes able to get Fry Daddy to get into the ring to create the double team. And a scoop slam by Patrick. Off the rope, elbow drop. Pin attempt. Scotty Beach able to kick out at 2. Fans there in Barnesville trying to get behind Scotty Beach to help him build some momentum. Patrick gets to the ring to distract the ref. Tag was made to Fry Daddy, but the ref telling Fry Daddy he didn't see it. Now double teamed by the Blondes. Patrick and Brock swapped out with no tag. Now pin attempt. And Scotty able to kick out at 2. Scotty fighting back to his feet. Elbow shot to the midsection. Breaks the hold. Scotty Beach off the rope, dodges the clothesline, dodges the back elbow, but doesn't dodge the high knee. And now Patrick just shoves Fry Daddy off the apron. Elbow to the top of the head. Now just a boot across the throat of Scotty Beach. And now Patrick just choking him in the corner. While the ref was distracted. Now tag, double team. Patrick on the second rope and a shot to the chest. Scotty Beach really needs to get a tag here. Oh. Rake in the face by the foot of Patrick. And Patrick now climbing up to the middle rope. Oh, and catches the foot of Scotty Beach. Fry Daddy begging, pleading for the tag. The tag to Brock, and the tag to Fry Daddy. Brock down, Patrick down. Clothesline misses. Oh, down goes Brock again. Oh, a splash to the corner. And a running bulldog. And Patrick pulled down the rope and pulled Fry Daddy over the top and onto the floor. Now Iceberg coming to check on Fry Daddy. And Patrick just shoved Iceberg out of the way. Iceberg holding that kendo stick of Scotty Beach. Oh! And both Brock and Patrick took shots at him on a kendo stick to the top of the head of both Patrick and Brock. And the ref calls for the bell. Now Scotty Beach with a pull noodle. Smacking away. And Brian Brock now choking him with it. Oh, what a shot with that pull noodle. And now, Fry Daddy and Patrick are out in the seats. They're calling for security. As Fry Daddy now has a cane. And a shot to the midsection of Patrick. 3 of them. I don't think security's going to be able to break this up. Now, Iceberg with that kendo stick again. On another shot to the head of Brian Brock. Now, Brock in retreat. Trying to throw chairs in the way of Scotty Beach. Trying to get away. And now Patrick and Fried Daddy took a shot for the chair. And now Patrick in retreat. The Fried Daddy with the chair. Look out. And Michael Patrick barely able to get back to the locker room before getting just demolished by those chairs. But the Dirty Blondes do come away with a victory by disqualification.